Hello. I need to get my Python certification really quick, so I don't know how long this is really gonna take, but I mean, this is just an intro to. I believe, yeah, I should. I'm gonna get certified. I imagine that a lot of this is gonna be pretty tough because there's a lot of stuff that I haven't specifically done. I'm also going to learn new stuff like graphs and trees. I'm really bad at algorithms, so I'm actually going to be learning a lot of things here. I just figured that this was the best way to do this, and hopefully I don't like completely make a fool of myself, because I'd feel pretty embarrassed. I've got some nice calming Genshin Impact music playing in the background, so hopefully it's nice and chill. Okay, let's play Start Learning. Actually, this music is too loud for me. Well, maybe I could just turn it down on my side, and I'll turn it up for you. Well, not that loud. Oh my goodness. All right, let's not go crazy. Python is a general-purpose programming language known for its simplicity. I don't even know which parts to read. I know that there's like immediately a test immediately. So, used in many fields like data science, machine learning, web development, scripting, automation, embedded system, IoT, so much more. Its main program for most data science and machine learning engineers. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy make data analysis less tedious, while other like TensorFlow, Scikit make it machine learning with AI easier. Oh, what? Web dev, Python framework like Django, Fast API, Flask let development. Hold on. Let's make sure that we're up and running properly. Okay. Oh, we're just quick with the latency. I didn't even realize that. Okay. Okay, sorry. Hold on. Let's make this live chat. I want to see every message. Okay. Okay. Where are we? Okay. Django, Fast API, Flaskless developers builds scalable, secure ends. Yeah, totally. Many social media platforms use Python on the back end. Crazy. Cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers use Python to detect vulnerabilities like malware and other viruses. What? Python runs well on microcomputers like Raspberry Pi and MicroPython compatible boards. That makes sense to me. I can build all kind of IoT. I feel like I'm going crazy. What is IoT? IoT. Internet of Things. There's no way that's what it means. Okay, so embedded sensors, software. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Okay, fine. Python is widely used on DevOps for writing CI/CD scripts and managing infrastructure across the development pipelines. It is also commonly used to build backends for, that makes sense. Software testing, Python tools such as PyTest are used to create reliable test suites, while system administrators rely on Python for server monitoring, lag management. Whoa. Hold up. There we go. I feel like I just went. Why am I? Okay, sorry. Libraries like Selenium, Beautiful Soup, make it easy to interact with websites, so you can scrape public data, automate tasks through web UI, etc. As you can see, Python is very powerful. This is true. Libraries are commonly used for data analysis. Panda, NumPy. What about for embedded systems and IoT? How is it used in embedded systems and Internet of Things? Probably this one. Yeah, it does not replace low-level languages. That's true. Python framework is used in web development. Django, I think, right? Yeah. Okay, check your answer. That's fucking right. Okay. All right. Whoa. Okay. How do you install Python? Do I need to? Oh, am I gonna have to side run Python? That's okay. I have it installed. I'm not lame. Install it. Okay. We can download it from python.org. How can you get Python added to path by checking the? God damn it! All right, I'll check your fucking. They really want to make sure I get it right. Path. Add Python to path. Is that? You will see the check that option. Okay, so it is this one. What kind of a package? What kind of for Windows? That's got to be an exe. Wait, because I'm seeing a lot of package, but I don't remember. Yeah, obviously that's Mac OS. Okay, I thought I was going crazy, but I think I'm good. Yeah, let's go. Yes. Okay. Okay. Next one. What is going on? Why does it not just continue learning? Yes. Yes, we could do name equals. Okay. Which of the following is the correct way to declare a variable and pay? That's one. Which of these is not a rule name? Variable names must start with a letter or an underscore. That's the one. Yeah. It. Well, actually, hold on. Yes, it cannot. You is not a rule. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Cannot use Python reserved keywords. Names can contain letters, numbers. Can they contain letters? I don't think that's true. Hold up. I don't think they can. Can contain. Oh my god. Oh, here are the rules. Can't start with a number. Oh. Oh, I see. Reserve keywords like that. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. We should try and avoid using single letter variable names. They don't make fucking sense at all. That's funny. They use more memory than longer names. Well, I'd say. Oh shit! What did I click? Python treats uppercase and lowercase letters as different. Oh my god! I'm dyslexic as fuck. Are case insensitive. Okay, well fuck you. That's not like a thing that people actually. Okay, whatever. Okay. Why does the following code print all the values on the same line with spaces? Because that's just how the commas work. Summary values with commas and print add spaces between them. That seems like a good answer to me. Why would they output of the following? That would be hello world. What is the purpose of quotation marks around hello world? So that we don't think it's a fucking no. Define a string to be printed by I get they phrase it all differently, but it is definitely that one. Whoa, that's a lot of text. Okay. What does it mean that Python is dynamically typed? It's actually okay. Automatically determines the data type. That's the one. What is the difference between integers and float data types? Integers can be no. Where is it? Integers are numbers without decimals. Floats have decimal point. That's right. How can you check the data type of the variable? I don't think I know this one. Let's find out. Is instance, is that the answer they want? Type. Oh, you know what? Type. Print type of, I never knew that. All right, well, there we go. I'm already learning shit. Let's do that. All right. Okay, where are we at? Look, we're already breezing through it. Basics, we've got, oh shit, well, we've got so many more. All right, let's keep this going. How long have we been going for? We're only 11 minutes in. So, it's kind of awesome. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're typing now. As you learn, variables are assigned this way. Create a variable named name and assign it to the string Alice. Okay. Name equals, oops, Alice. Check your code. Did they want me to do something else also? Or is this good? Yes. Okay, let's fucking go. Okay. We're going to say print. What do we want to do? In the example above, greeting, refer to the, oh, I'm sorry, I'm like not even talking to the microphone. Refer to the example and print the name. So name, how's that? Oh, here's my little terminal over here. Hold on, I've got stuff in the way. Okay, we're good. Use the type function with name to check. Oh, so we're just printing type. Is there a quick like F5? No, F5 is gonna refresh the page. Listen. Oh, Control Enter. There we go. Okay, that works for me. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh, we're adding another line. Okay. That's what they wanted me to do. They didn't want me to just, okay. Declare the variable as is, okay. Is, underscore student. Equals true. That's all they want me to do. Okay. Print both is student and type is student. Okay. Okay. Print is student, comma, type is student. Missing a parenthesis. That's weird. Let's go. Become a supporter. I will not, but I appreciate the offer. Okay, so we're just gonna have a quick ad break. That's okay. You can do that. That's actually totally fine. I will not. Oh yeah, ask me later. Of course, dude. Of course. Okay. What are we doing? Remove the earlier outputs of the name variable, then print name and type name together on one line. Okay, so we're name. Is this what they want? Okay. Declare a variable named age. How did its student end up here? Why would I want that? Can't I just declare all my variables at the top like a normal person? Is, or oops, age equals 20. And then we're going to say print age. Oh, then print the value and the data type of age separated by a comma. That makes sense. And its type. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, I just need to do the same thing I did with the other ones. Age, type, age. This is crazy. I'm learning so much stuff about just like this little type thing I've never heard of. Oh my god, it's getting intense. Holy shit, the music's getting intense. This is something I did not know actually. But they're really heavy on it, so that's cool. Is instance. So we can check to see. That's so interesting. Holy fuck. This music is so intense. I'm not doing that. Okay, so this is how they want me to do my script. So I guess I'll just do it like that. Is instance check whether score. Oh wait, declare a variable named score. Okay, I'll do it down here because it's equals 80.5. Although both age and score are numbers, they do not have the same kind. Is instance. Use is instance to check whether score is an integer. Print is instance. Oh, score. Oh, that's why, because I backspaced and then it deleted it earlier. And it deleted it just now too. Score Are we checking if it's an integer? Yes, we are. It is not. Okay. Okay. The output is false because it's not a fucking float or integer. Okay, now we're gonna check to see if it's a float. That's perfect. Oh my god, it is. Okay, complete it by printing the score value along with its data type in a single print statement. Print. Oops, shit. I'm like, whatever. It's just gonna have to do that. Print. What am I doing? Score. Type. I'm like AFK. What the hell? Okay. Score. I did it. All right. Continue. Is there just a quick continue button? No. Continue learning. Let's do this. Okay. How do you lengthen length? How do you get the length of string? Len s. That is what it is. How do you define a multi-line string in Python? Backslash at the end of each line. I'm pretty sure it's just backslash, but I've been doing backslash n, so I might be wrong. No, obviously the backslash is for, so let's see, multi-line string. If you need a multi-line string, you can do triple or double quotes. Okay, I've been using that as like syntax in like Discord and stuff like that, but that makes a lot of sense. Triple, just regular quotes. I didn't know that. Okay, that's pretty cool. What does it mean that a string is immutable? I think that means that you can't fucking really fuck with it or like observe it. Like it's just like fucking there, right? Cannot be reassigned to a different string. That's not true. Assignment directly modifies the original string. I'd say that's well, I just say don't quite know what that means. Cannot directly be modified by changing its individual characters. I think that's what it is. Can be directly. Okay, let's go with this one. I might be stupid as fuck though. I got it right. Look at that. Okay. How can you concatenate a string? I'm pretty sure that I need to look at the answer. Let's see here. The plus. Oh, like okay, I'm just stupid. Yeah, that makes sense. I know that. What does the string function do? It basically just says, nah, this is a fucking string right here. All of what's here. It extracts numerical characters from it. I know. It returns a string version of the given object. It's that one. What is string interpolation? The process of parsing a string to the exact specific. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the fucking answer because what is this blue line here? Let's find out. String interpolation. The process of inserting variables into it. Oh, so that's f strings. Okay. F strings. Okay, I got it. Inserting variables. Okay. F strings is called string interpolation. Interesting. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. What do you extract? How do you extract a specific portion of a string in Python? I don't know. Let's find out. Is this what they want? And you could do, 1 to 4. Okay, that makes sense. So we'll say square brackets. What is the outcome of 2 onwards? That's going to be low. What is the purpose of optional step parameter in string slicing? Is it just go up 1 or like, I don't know, let's find out. Step. Which is used to specify increments between, how much is step, so you can step by like 2, or it specifies the increment between each, okay. Um, which method checks if all letters in a string are uppercase or lowercase? That would be upper and lower. Can you replace all? How can you replace all occurrences of one or more parts of a string with another string? Replace? Is it replace? That seems like the Python way. Oh. Oh, wait, I'm wrong. So it's actually is upper, is lower, which I guess makes sense. What are we asking me? How do you replace all occurrences of one part of a string or just a string in general? Find. Wait. Oh, they're like mixing it up a little. Replace. It is replace. Okay. What does the upper method do? Converts all characters to uppercase. That's, or is it capitalize only the first letter? I'm just gonna go. Well, why don't I just look? Upper returns a new string with all characters converted to uppercase. Okay. Okay, we did that one. Let's keep it going. We got a test. Create a variable named first name, which stores the string John, and a variable last name that carries the name Arbuckle. Doe. Okay. Then print first name last name. Yes. Am I stupid? Then print first name and last name. Sorry? Do you want me to do it two separate ways? You like literally... Is this what they want? Do they then print first name and last name? I thought you guys literally had like a whole thing telling me this is okay. Well, I mean, yeah, just throw out all the training that you guys just did. John Doe. Okay, that's fine. In Python, create a variable full name by concatenating. So that's actually what I was just trying to do, which is actually really funny that you would. Oh, they want me to do one concatenation. So I think what they want me to do is use string, but I could be wrong. So let's try it. Last name. Oh, but probably... There we go. Let's do that. Do you like that? You should have a variable named full name. That makes sense, I guess. Full name. We could say full name equals this. Can we do that? You should assign a string formed by I know a string formed by that's what I'm doing. Greeting oh, do I not need to do this? Am I just being stupid? Hold on. I think I'm just doing extra steps that I don't need to do. Never mind. So, am I doing too much? Is that why? John Doe. There's not even a space. Oh, is that gonna be the next step maybe? Oh my god. Okay, so watch this. I actually just did this, so it's okay. There we go. Okay. Now we need to create an address, and they want me to do it on the 7th line because that's where we put all of our variables. We don't declare them at the top. We just do them as we go, as everyone knows. So, address. Assign it to the string 123 Main Street equals 123 Main Street. This music is very helpful. It's... Am I stupid? You should print it. I will. All right. address. All right, let's keep it going. Use the plus equals operator to add to the string. Okay, I think I didn't know that. Address plus equals. I didn't know you could do that. Wait. Oh, comma, apartment 4B. That's kind of creepy. Okay. Yeah, man. Fucking John. Woo! Oops, sorry. I got distracted. All right. All right. Remove all the print statements from your code. Holy. They better not make me like just retype all these out, because that would be kind of fucking annoying as shit. Okay. Oops. All right, there we go. This is fine. I like this. This is good. Although I would probably just declare everything and then do everything afterwards. Employment or employee age equals 28. Fucking John Doe 28. Sorry, we're creating an employee info. Employee info equals containing full name, a string consisting of the characters is preceded by and followed by a space. Okay. Plus is what they want. Update the employee info assignment to also concatenate employee age at the end. Is plus employee age. Once you've done so, you'll see a type error in the console. This is because, I will tell you, all fine folks in the chat, the reason is because the employee age is an integer and it needs to be a string, or else it gets really fucking confused. So now you know. So what we need to do is we need to say, actually, we're lying about this number. We're actually making it a string, which is actually a little absurd. Are we doing a new one? Update your employee info assignment to convert. Oh, okay. That's good, I guess. str. There we go. It's better now. Okay. Years old. So we're gonna add this, and we're gonna say years old. Are they gonna please let me do exclamation points? Okay. Sorry. Forgot we were boring. It's okay. My bad. You should print employee info. Should I? I can do that. Print employee info. That sounds good to me. I will do that. Okay. Yes, I win. We're still going. All right, we're watching an ad. That's okay. That is okay. I think at 10 o'clock is going to be my snack break, but I think we're good for now. I'm not really feeling an urge to eat at this moment, so I'm fine. Okay. Experience info. So, oh shit, we're adding so much stuff. Okay, so we're gonna create a variable experience here. They're doing like big words, and this is just too much for me. He's got 5 years of experience, so shouldn't you have more experience, dude? You're 28. Should have like 10 years of experience. Okay, whatever. Experience info equals experience. Oh, sorry. Experience years plus. Oops. Year. Oh, yeah, you're right. Years. Okay. Print experience info. Do I not? You should have a variable named experience years. I do. Am I dumb? I don't. Excuse me. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. You want me to wrap this and make it a string. Duh. It's okay. We're all there. I'm smart. I'm smart. You're smart. We're all smart. Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. Just joining me in viewers, my two lovely viewers. Go ahead and give me a chat. I just want to see how you're doing. We're just chillaxing. I've kind of already know Python, but I need the certification, and Free Code Camp gives out free certification. So I'm just gonna get my certification so that people can go, oh, he knows Python. So, but yeah, let me know. Do you guys Python? Do you program at all? What brings you onto this little stream here? Okay. Creative verb employee. They want me to do it here. This is like the worst possible way I would ever organize this. I can't even read this script. This is crazy. Okay. Employee card equals employee. Add a space. Yes. Full name. That's right. Thank you. Oh, I did too many cards. Just one. Oh, I'm sorry, I was not paying attention. They want me to actually do a proper F string, which is crazy, by the way. Assign it to an F string. Okay. So that's actually something I can do. F. Oops. Why am my brain? Okay, sorry. Employee. Full name. Oh, and then let's print it. Oh, they don't want me to do that yet, so my bad. Update the employee card to, okay, hold on. Include the employee's age. The final string should look like this. With name replaced with the employee's name, age. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna go like this. They want me a pipe, and then age. Employee age. That seems good to me, right? Are we good? Nice. Oh my god, we're getting to this guy's salary. Create a variable named position and a variable. Okay, hold on. Position equals data analyst. Yeah, dude. Salary. Why aren't we doing employee position and employee salary? I did. Wow, I'm so sorry for all these plosives. Salary equals 75000. Okay. Age. Okay. Oh, position. Salary. $. Salary. Finally print it. I should print it. I agree. Print. Employee. Oops. Card. I think this is the last one. There you go. Oh, we got more. Oh, we're gonna slice it? Why? Why are we slicing? So what? Okay, hold on. Define employee card as. Oh, employee code. Employee code equals DEV-2026. That's cute. They update it every year, I bet. JD001. And after that, create a variable called department and assign it a slice of the employee code index. Okay, hold on. Employee code from 0 to, oh my god, 3. Interesting way to do that. Can't you just, a little bit of this? A little fucking ooh face. Then print the department in the terminal. Print. Departo. That's right. I'm smarter than you. I figured it out. Okay. Let's continue. Year code. And assign it to a slice equals. Yeah, that's the one. Employee code 448. That makes sense. 88 now. Create initials. Oh god. This is such a like heavy like slicing together. Employee code from oh my god, my brain. Employee code 911. Oh, you can't say that. Print. Do they want me to do it in the same thing or separate ones? I don't know. Year code. Let's just try initials. Fuck you. There we go. Oh my god, wow, what a great... How fascinating is that? Okay, are we not done with this one yet? Okay, this has to be it, right? You can all... What are they? To get the last 3 of a string, you can... So it starts at... That makes sense. Now, note how the stop parameter is omitted after the colon. So it's just like reverse. I guess that makes sense. Create a variable... Oh my god. Last 3. Equals of employee code 3. There we go. Print last 3. There we go. 001. Absolutely fascinating stuff. I did it all 18 fucking lessons of that one. What's next? Numbers and mathematical operations. All right. I'm going to take a quick break here. Because my brain... Actually, I'm just kind of hungry. So I'm just going to chill here for a second. Hi there, Rogue Salazar 4585. Thank you for being the first chatter in this chat video live stream today. What is going on? How you doing? Today I am pretty good at Python, I'd like to think. I think I'm intermediate actually, but I just found out that originally a while back I got certification on an app called Programming Hub, and they never, like, their app kind of sucks now, and you can't even like extract like the certification. And it was for like basic Python, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But I do need to get Python certified. So I am running through Python, or a free code camp for Python. I'm just gonna try to speed run this to try to get some sort of thing. I'm making pretty good progress. I started about 40 minutes ago. So we're just running through this. How is your day going? What brings you here? I guess we'll get started on this next one here. Okay. What does the double slash operator do? All pretty good, thanks. Roger. Okay, Roger, I will do that. Roger, do you program at all? Okay, let's find out what the double slash. I'm pretty sure I know what this does, but I'm kind of blanking on it. So it checks is divisible by... I don't know. That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Why did I say that? Okay, let's find out what it does instead of just guessing. Yes. Where's the double slash? Hello. Floor division divides 2 numbers, then returns the greatest integer less than or equal to the result. Hold on, let me think about that for a second. It's not modulo. It's um um floor division. So between 56 and 12. So it just divides and then it floors it, I guess. All right. Well, I hope I'm right about that one. That's kind of crazy. I don't think I knew that one though. Okay. Which state correctly why am I oh my god, my brain. Which statement correctly describes integers in Python? Integers can only store positive whole numbers. Numbers with decimal, whole numbers without decimal points, either positive or negative. That's the one. I don't even read the last one. Which method returns the absolute value of a number? Absolute. Okay. Hold on. Let me make my little live chat bigger. Studies in data analytics. And the next month, actually, I'm going in to learn Python, trying to change career. Haha. Oh my goodness. Well, so I take it that you don't you're in data analytics. Do you but you haven't started learning Python yet. So I just saw this stream and I clicked right away. Okay. Hey, maybe you'll learn something from this stream. I'm kind of just breezing through this. I'm skipping past all the actual learning segments. What I would actually recommend though is I mean, I'm actually learning new things, and free code camp, this thing right here, I'm not learning Python for the first time, but what I can tell is this is a really great great resource. There's obviously, I mean, you're going to be learning it in school, so that's one thing, you'll get there, but if you want a head start and you want to be able to understand without having to wait for the whole class, I don't know. Free code camp, it's pretty cool. You get to learn everything you need to know. So, that's pretty cool. Data analytics. Wait, what? So what do you do in data analytics that's not? Because I know that data analytics is pretty Python heavy, so it makes sense that you're learning it. But I'm surprised that you haven't like it wasn't like a central thing. Okay, let's see here. What is the main advantage of using augmented assignment operators? Oh my god, my brain. All right, let's find out what an augmented assignment operator is. Is this what an augmented assignment operator is? Yeah, because it's the only possible way to ever do it, unless you're dumb. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness, I just made my chat bigger. That's so much better. Oh my goodness. Okay. What happens if you use the plus plus and the minus minus? First thing they teach me was R and SQL. Oh, okay. SQL. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. That makes a lot of sense. So when you say you just started studies, does that mean at the beginning of the school year back in September, or was it some other time? That makes sense that they don't just like throw everything at you. But Python's great. It's one of the big backbones. I mean, of course, R and SQL are pretty huge, so they're all work together. I feel like, okay, I'm just gonna guess that this first one, they work exactly like they do in C and C++, is not the answer, because that's not an answer to the question. Back in January, so I guess kind of like a mid-quarter thing. Are you started studies? So are you at like an actual college or university, or is it like an online thing? I guess I don't know, but these are weird. These are weird answers to the question. So I guess I'll just look for it. If increments and decrement operators plus plus and minus minus, they don't. That's because Python deliberately avoids C-style increments and decrements. It just doesn't work because we're better than that. Okay. Syntax. I'm gonna guess just syntax because it doesn't exist. Which argument? Operators raise a variable to a power and stores it. Probably this one. Wait, these could all be it. I'm gonna guess it's actually times, but let's. Oh yeah, it's right here. Raise the left power. Okay. Yeah, let's go. So it doesn't. It avoids it. Am I dumb? It literally says, writing plus plus x in Python just applies a unary plus twice and does not increment anything. Okay. So wait. So I see. So it just doesn't exist. It doesn't mean anything. Okay. Okay. There we go. Bam. I'm a math whiz. All right. 39 of 526. We're getting through it. Oh man. All right. Hold on. We're at a how many steps is this one? We're at a new challenge. Okay. It's time. All right. Running total equals 0. A degree. Costa Rica. Very cool. Which is where I'm from. Yeah, I guess I wonder how the educational systems, because I'm in America, I wonder how much they differ between different countries. Interesting. Well, it's not quite a degree, but it's like kind of like the same concept, or like the I'm a part of my ignorance is Costa Rica. I'm really don't know anything about the world. Is Costa Rica its own thing, or is it a part of a bigger country? And then also, regardless of that, is it? I mean, I don't know. The degrees just work different, or is it just not literally not called a degree, but it basically serves the same function? Okay. Number of friends. What? 4? This guy's got 4 friends. Okay. That's awesome. I'm proud of him. Appetizers. Create 4 variables. Oh, appetizers, main courses, desserts, drinks. It's a country. Okay. All right. Sorry. I'm a little dumb when it comes to world stuff. I know that Canada exists and maybe Australia. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. So we have 0.89 appetizers. That's crazy. 57.34. 39.39. Oops. Oh my god. 64.21. Why are we... I didn't know you could have 0.21 drinks. I guess maybe if you drank a lot of it, and that's all that's left. Okay. I'm smart. Here we go. Oh, it's the cost. It's not saying that's how many I have. I figured it out because we're doing a bill splitter. Oh my goodness. Use the plus equals operator to add them all together. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, okay. So we will go running. Oops, running total. Why am I? Oh my goodness. Okay. Plus equals appetizers plus main courses plus desserts plus drinks. Oh, and then print it. Print running. Oh. Print F string. Can we do an F string? Total bill so far. I'll be sad if I can't do an F string. Running. Oops. Running total. What? Oh. Maybe. Yeah, I thought we were talking about deserts. It's a oh, I'm so dumb, dude. Oh, okay. That's awesome, dude. Man. Well, that's really cool. Um, Data analysis. I don't know how big is the market for data analysis jobs. I know other tech related jobs are kind of struggling, but I don't know about data analysis. I feel like they'd be doing pretty all right, but um, I mean you must know, or at least you must feel they're doing all right, or else you probably wouldn't be going into data analysis if you didn't think you couldn't get a job. So I assume they're doing good, especially maybe down there in Costa Rica. Okay. What am I supposed to do? I already did it. That's what. Tax. Oh, that's not what they want me to do. Oh. Yes, this is true. Create a variable tip equals running total with a 25% tip. No, thank you. I'm so dumb. What is going on? Oh, okay. For some reason, okay, this code editor right here, I don't know why, but like you can do double parentheses, double literally anything that you want it to, but as soon as you do a quotation, what the hell? Okay. Literally, hold on. Okay, let me figure this out. Print f. Look at that. It just decides, nah, you don't need a second parenthesis here. It's because it thinks that it's up against a character instead of knowing that it's inside. Oh my god, whatever. That's so stupid. Oh, I guess I'll do the next thing. Yep, tip or oops, running total plus equals tip. Oh my god, print total with tip. Running total. All right. Final bill equals running total divided by num of friends, which is 4. Print final bill. Oh my god. Num of friends. I thought I'd... Oh, Fearens. That's not right. Sorry. Bill... Oh. Okay, fine. As far as I know, it's pretty strong here in Costa Rica and very well paid for the economy. Scared of the future with AI, but that's... Pretty sure you can get something nice. Yeah. I mean, that checks out. Hopefully you get good luck in finding a good job, because I mean, just jobs in general is pretty... Whole job market's pretty sucky right now, but again, I'm in America and everything sucks in America. So I'm sure it's not so bad outside of America. So maybe it is. I don't know. But, you know, what is wrong with... Should print the... Oh, my goodness. Okay, you happy? There we go. More? How many... Oh, hold on. I've got like this... How many... Where's my progress? How do they... Whoa. That... Oh, okay. I'm on the last one. Okay. Use round. Oh, okay. So round to do... Okay, why are we doing that? Why? Okay. Each pays equals final bill in oop, fuck. Round. Print. Dude, all of these Look, oh my god, I didn't even realize that they were changing my F strings to these. Why? Each person pays. Each pays. Oh, I know why they're rounding, because this is fucking stupid as shit. Okay. What did I do wrong? You should round the function to round final bill. I did that. Oh. I think I didn't know you could do that. That's cool. And it still doesn't like what I did. Oh, I did. What do you want from me? I was using your example, but I should have just been doing this. Okay, there we go. Okay. Well, I don't mean to leave you, but I gotta go take a break while I go make myself some food, because I am so hungry right now. Well, feel free to stick around. I'll be back eventually, but I might be back in like 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna turn up the music, and we'll enjoy the time for a bit. Okay. I'll even add some text that says, "Be back soon." With a lot of exclamation points to show I'm serious. Let's change my font to something awesome. I believe I added something new. Hold on, there's gonna be something good here. This one's pretty good. Hold on. Be back soon. That's a good one. Let's do that one. Text transformation. Interesting. That's not what I want. Okay. Let's. There we go. Okay. I will be back soon. It's true. Pop. Away I go. Uh-oh. Oh, wait, that's not the button I meant to press. I meant to press this one that will kill my voice off slowly. Where's it going? Why do I still have a voice? What is going on?